Hotel worker pleads guilty to assault and murder of 9-year-old St. Anne girl. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Troy Ellis, the man accused of raping and killing 9-year-old Talia Thompson in Discovery Bay St. Anne last year, has confessed to the crimes. The 27-year-old hotel worker pleaded guilty to murder and rape when he appeared in the St. Anne Circuit Court on Thursday. A social inquiry and an antecedent report were ordered by High Court Justice Judge Andrew Collins ahead of sentencing on February the 12th. Talia was a promising 4th grade Discovery Bay Primary School student who was found dead inside Ellis' house on Fortland Road in Discovery Bay St. Anne on September 23, 2023. It is reported that Ellis lured the child to his house where he sexually assaulted her and then stabbing her several times to the upper part of her body. Neighbors reportedly hear an explosion and Ellis was found with a self-inflicted wound which was caused by a firearm. He was admitted to hospital under police guard but escaped on September the 30th and was recaptured by a civilian, a licensed firearm holder, on October the 1st, 2023. Ellis has also been charged with escaping custody. Links 007 TV will have more details to come on this in a subsequent newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.